It's Mariano from Malvern, Pennsylvania. I wanted to share with you a really exciting experience that we just had in our office today. We have a patient that came into us that used to be a patient of ours, but she eventually had a concussion from work, and so she's been away for the last 4 months. And she's actually been doing rehab for concussion protocol at the traditional neurological office. But she came in today because she had been hiccuping for the last 3 weeks nonstop. And the onset was just when she was doing some PT, and her back stiffened up, and all of a sudden she started hiccuping and it couldn't stop. She'd actually consulted many different practitioners, including a medical doctor who thought that it was some digestive issues that was causing the problem or exacerbating it, so they gave her some nutrition for it. However, she came in today, so the video you're about to see is really exciting. We're so glad that we took some before and after shots of what happened. Our only regret is that we actually did not take a video while we were doing the work on her nervous system, because it was really dramatic. Just to describe to you what was happening, as she was actually lying down, and we have a technique that we call rib torque, where we unwind the ribs when it's torqued. And as she was doing that, we couldn't even begin the work because her hiccups were happening at probably a rate of 3 per second. It was an amazing experience. So what you're going to see, the first part of the video, is her before the correction that we made on her nervous system, and then we did the laser in the middle as well to upregulate her cranial nerves, and then the last part is the after. And this has happened, the beginning to end happened within maybe 5 to 10 minutes, so that's how long it took. So again, this video is about a person that had hiccups non-stop 24/7 for 3 weeks that resolved with the type of care, holistic care, that we provide. So, tell me again, how long and what's going on?
3 weeks
of
occasional hiccups, and now the last couple of days it's like constant.
Okay, for 3 weeks?
3 weeks.
Okay, and what was the onset? It just happened?
I was just in therapy one day, and they said it was like hair exchange, and then each week it got worse, and now it's like ridiculous.
Okay. All right, we'll find out what's going on. We're going to adjust you, all right? All right, so we're lazy. So, any change? Yeah. What are you noticing?
Less intense.
Okay.
And less intense. And
frequency? Yeah.
Very good.
And how long did and how many weeks did you say?
3.
Yeah, I can't imagine.
What did I do? One time?
Yeah.
It was crazy.
So that's what an adjustment can do, I guess, right?
Yeah, definitely helps. That'd be awesome if they just disappeared now.
Well, maybe we'll check you again. See how it goes. So now, we're not without the laser now, so...
Still better?
Still better.
So much better. Yeah, they're there, but they're less intense, and they're way far apart. So, I can even tell I'm not moving around as much.
What do you mean? Yeah.
And I thought like my whole body was moving.
It was,
and
yeah.
It hurt.
Exactly. Yeah, I mean, for 3 weeks, I can't imagine having a hiccup for 3 weeks.
Yeah.
You know, 24/7. All right, another good benefit from balancing your nervous system. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So thanks for giving us the opportunity to share this with you. Our goal and purpose is to inspire people to begin to trust their bodies, that their bodies can really heal naturally if given the opportunity. Again, I'm Dr. Dennis Mariano from Mariano Holistic Life Center in Malvern, Pennsylvania. Please like us on Facebook and Mariano Holistic Life Center, and also on our website, drmariano.com. Take care till we meet again.